Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2014 set 2 guys. The question is consider the following relation on subsets, okay, of a set S of integers between 1 to 2014. Okay, so this question belongs to 2014, so he used 2014 in the question. Okay, so let us continue. So for two distinct subsets U and V of S, we say U is less than V if the minimum element in the symmetric difference of the two sets is in U. Okay, so consider the following two statements. There is a subset S that is larger than every other subset. Okay, so S2 says there is a subset S that is smaller than every subset. Okay, so the first thing that we should understand here is, so here we are having a set S which contains integers from 1, 2 and so on up to 2013 and 2014. Okay, and after this we are forming two different sets U and V. Okay, and we are doing a few kind of things here. So the first thing which we are doing is, so one step will be we are performing U minus V operation, that is nothing but symmetric difference, and making sure that U is having the minimum element, guys. So the funny part here is, I think so according to my understanding, okay, so for two distinct subsets U and V of set S of S, we say U is less than V if the minimum element in the symmetric difference of two sets is in U. So basically what this exact statement according to my understanding says is, so U contains the smallest element and that element will not be there in in V. Okay, so if 2 is here, so 3, 4 could be here, but 2 will not be there in this set. So that is what it is saying. Okay, so now let us go through options. Okay, so option A says that, okay, so what does option A says, guys? So option A says there is a subset S that is larger than every other subset. Okay, so to be clear, the funny thing here is, okay, so the funny thing here is, so he did not say in which subset, right? So whether it is a U subset or V subset. So if you observe carefully, so you could have everything, right? So from 1 to 2014, but the only condition with respect to V is V should not have 1, and other than that anything could be there in V, right? Yes, so with this understanding I think we can prove that one of the set is the largest subset possible. So with that understanding I can say that S1 is a true. So with that understanding we can eliminate option C and D. Okay, so moving on to option 2, that is S2. Okay, so that is S2. So S2 says there is a subset of S that is smaller than every other subset. Okay, so here we are talking in terms of smallest subset, but there is one rule. So the first set U should mandatorily have the smallest element in the particular list. So it doesn't mean that only one, it could have from 2 also. So it could have 2013 also, but the other set is not allowed to have the lesser element or that exact element. Got it? Yes. So if this set is having 2013, so this element should have 2014. That's it. There is no more options for it. Okay, so what is this saying? So there is a subset of S that is smaller than every other subset. So if you observe carefully, so you can take only one here, right? So you can take only 2013 and you can take the other set completely empty. So is there any set which is smaller than empty set, guys? No, right? With that understanding, I think S2 is also true. So with that we can conclude that A is the correct answer. It's a quite interesting question, and with some small examples we were able to solve the question, guys, right? Yes. So any year these type of questions are given, it's always better to take some examples and solve them, guys, because these things will not come to your hand without an example. So try it without example, guys. So everything will be UV. That's it. There will be no more information, right? Yes. Okay, so now you got an idea, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.